shit was crazy, man. So many people, so many nationalities, so many ladies. You want to say anything?
Come out Carnival next year if we ain't come this year.
You know it's crazy. Hey, hey.
Everybody feel the jump. Everybody feel the jump.
Alright, so right now we walking to the event. We had to pay for parking. It was $20 for parking. There were people parking across over at the mall, but I think they're towing people's stuff. So we got the peace of mind that that's not going to happen with us. What you want to say before the madness starts? Anything you...
Wildest behavior.
It's gonna get crazy, man. It's gonna be crazy. Y'all tune in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like the CB, all platforms, baby. We outside.
We have a right to name dirty pleasures. We see dirty. So listen up.
Can we get some water upstairs, please?
Gonna lie, this the first wave. It's the first outside. I'm taking a little break. My dog eating. And we just, you know what I mean? It's a bunch of Jones out here. Outside, but oh, it's this way too. Yeah, I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe.
So you want to make the turn? All right. Watch the left side, so we're going to make the turn.
I need that footage.
Ladies! Bend over! Bend down now! Bend lower! Bend lower! Bend down, girl! Yes, girl! Yes, girl! DJ Fight! DJ King Kim there! I can know! Bend down, girl! Bend down, girl! Bend down, girl! Bend down, girl! Bend over and touch your toes! Bend over and touch your toes! Bend over and touch your toes! You can do better than that, baby! Sink in your back! Sink in your back! Sink in your back! You can do better than that, baby! Bend down for that! Bend down for that! DJ Vibes! DJ King Kim! What up? Ladies, this one I feel like you know. This one I feel like you. I'm going out here. This one I feel like anybody must thank you. Make up the Bahamas and the party. The pussy tight. If you come from the best Caribbean country, let's go. Ladies, shake ya. Let's go! Take me to sink it! Take me to sink it! Let's go! If you from a small island, put your hands up in the air. You were promised by natural disaster. Watch the friends. Watch the friends. Watch the friends. Watch the friends.
Oh my God.
But I was for Carol. Everybody feed the top, ready? Ready?
You have to bend over. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Let's see final chefs, let's go. She said no. One island. There we go.
That shit was crazy, man. So many people, so many nationalities, so many ladies. You want to say anything?
Come out Carnival next year. If we ain't come this year.
You know it's crazy. You can't even make it up. Like, it's ending, you know. It's a mess out here. I got paint all over me. Like a CB, you already know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, gang. And listen, I hope y'all appreciated Jouvert 2023 Miami. It was crazy. Make sure you hit that comment. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We out.